So our ChocoScope is made for the use in production of cocoa and chocolate and related products. So essentially it is an inline microscope to acquire images directly in your pipeline or refiner conch or conch, and the system sends the images to our software to automatically all the particles that are visible on the images and to extract finally particle characteristics like particle size, particle shape and so on. And these information can also be transferred to the process control system. So the probe features a 19mm thick tip which can be directly inserted into the process. It is 220mm long, and the front tip is basically a sapphire window. So sapphire is a very hard material, almost as hard as diamond, so it will not break and you will not have pieces in your product even if there's something goes wrong, so don't be scared. And in the thicker part of the probe there's the camera to acquire images and some other electronics. They are quite sensitive to temperature, so they cannot resist temperatures above 40 degrees centigrade. So at the end of the probe we have an inlet for compressed air, so we can purge the whole system with compressed air to cool it down to the 40 degrees centigrade. So not to harm the electronics and to enhance the lifetime of your ChocoScope system.